What's up, guys? Today I got someone with me, which he's not showing his face, which kind of a shame. Hey, Ken, show your face. Yeah, he don't show his face. He's scared. He's such a scared. I don't know why. Look, if you want to see it, that's him. He's not even showing his face. Look, if you want to see it, there's no face of him. Look, is there a face? There's no face of him. Look. There's no face. He does not have a face. Hey, Ken, you does not have a face. You do not have a face. You do not have a face. Hey, Ken. Ken. Show me your face. Quick. Hi. So, that's Ken. He's crap. Okay, guys. He's a noob. He don't show his face, just like me. I will show my face. Because I don't give a shit. So, yeah. Bye. This guy's a video. Okay, guys. Peace out.